NK Sanajaoba Memorial Trust and Lamyanba Sanajaoba Ningsing Thokpang Loop today observed 29th death anniversary of Lamyanba NK Sanajaoba. Social activist Ning Themsa Sanayaima, President of Southeast Youth Organization Ketrimayum Thoiba, Convener of Thawai Miral Thongam Dara, President of Apunba Khoidirolgi Malem Gilup Waikom Amuchau, Chairman of Lamyanba NK Sanajaoba Ningsing Thokpang Loop Waikom Nageshwar, along with other eminent persons, attended the observance, which was held at Singzamay Wang Matorban Ketri Laikai today. Speaking in the program, social activist Ning Themsa Sanayaima remembered Lamyanba NK Sanajaoba as a man of integrity who stood for truth. He added the ongoing crisis in the state can be resolved through the guidance of a visionary leader like NK Sanajaoba.
Tamo Sanajaoba in a Kangiva, Mass essentially Hanan, but the Yolo in integrity labor, Sumbaridam Lepa, and Aranba, Mayokna, the Siuki, Magna, Lamsing Pirimatam, the Quito Jaminotam, the Marsamina Wasing, the Tona Hapangamba, Nixon Hapangamba, Wakaloxing Pivangamba, Adumba were given. How's it Manipur, the Mayoknariba, the Pak to Gaibagi, Land, Tasalako Pivam, Ashina, told you a film, sister, Mediagilam the Orsu, the Pak your film, sister, Lamsing Pivilum the Orsu, Tamuet Kesanaza, Adumba, music, young Matokta was saying, the same,